Nkanza ukuthi siyanibingelela futhi kuyo le channel iMr D Media lapho esikhipha khona izindaba usuku nosuku kuyo le channel yaku-YouTube. Sisashaqile izivakashi ebezivakashele eGold Window eMpumalanga lapho kuhlasele khona izulu lasha izimoto ezingaphezu kweziyi-15 kwase kulimala ingane encane nababili abadala. Kanti-ke uphuthunyiswe esibhedlela umntwana omncane olimele, kanti umbukiso oveza konke nawo uyalandela.
Utaring.
Bayishapile ke bayishapile yabona. Ey. Yes, lightning powerful.
Yona kunsamuna.
Hawe.
Yona kodwa mo mfumo.
Light yona.
Lightning.
Na khana ikreli motho so.
Ukholela ke le fuzile mawuto.
Yeah.
That's what nobody.
Affecting all the cars here.
The cars. Yeah. No, mona tamel ba kenya that thing, ne?
Yeah. And Pelamo is very high.
It's high, yeah. It's high.
Hey, well trekile man ka mo.
Hey, Chile man. Hey, what trek Chile? Hey,
Problem.
I fought the Chile guys, like me. This is called window guys in Mpumalanga. I want trek Chile. Ishe ngaphakathi wall tracker zonke lezi moto enizibona bavula amabonnet azistart zonke lezi bashaya ngama lightning shawa ngama lightning azistart zonke lezi adi start kawufela ish hayi lightning na hayi inkani ishayile shayila lo kuphi ngi lightning yeah bye yeah owen piece tsena yeah. Yes. Uzi ufuthi una start. But how unplug a battery?
Unplug the battery for 5 minutes. Put it back.
Oh, she have a fuse box.
Fuse power, ne?
Yeah, she have a fuse box. Yeah, she have a fuse box. So, okay, she at least the fuse yana ta. Yeah. She have a mona and then ankaruna the fuse box happy. Kaka so. I fit this umlilo, ne? Eish.
So it's like this, dimmer, light.
Kaufela di havale start. Di Toyota ile I start. Kaufela koloi tsena di start. Di ka kwa o butse di bonnet ka kwa. A di start kaufela.
So
Ai. Eish. Bathi kunomntana bamshaya ngelightning sebamvayisa isibhedlela umlungu uyile uphuke enyawo naye ngelightning umjito ushayiwe imoto zishile bafethu kunzima check not starting azistart zonke